You asked, how to divide 3791 by 3 using the long division method. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. 3 minus 3 equals 0. Bring down 7, making 7. 7 divided by 3 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. 7 minus 6 equals 1. Bring down 9, making 19. 19 divided by 3 equals 6. 6 times 3 equals 18. 19 minus 18 equals 1. Bring down 1, making 11. 11 divided by 3 equals 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. 11 minus 9 equals 2. The remainder is 2. The final result is 1263 remainder 2.